What keeps you awake at night? Do you want to live your dream lifestyle? This is John. John's parents always told him to study hard, get a good job and earn good money. John studied very hard and learned a lot about different things like poetry, music, languages and so on. He made a good degree, found a good job and started working 50 hours plus per week. John worked very hard to make a good impression. But after a while, he recognized that he made good money, but he had no time at all for the other things in life besides his job. He was not able to spend enough time with the important people in his life. Plus, he was never able to fulfill his big dream and travel the world. He was a slave of the system and was stuck in his 9-to-5 lifestyle. He started to ask himself, how can I stop trading my valuable time for money?
My name is Karl, I'm 28 years old and I'm from Germany, and I always had this one big dream, to live in financial freedom and live the dream lifestyle, which means to live in time freedom, money freedom and geographical freedom. Travel the world, do whatever you want to, whenever you want to do it. It was a very long way, full of ups, but way more downs, but it's definitely worth it.
To become financially free, you need to create passive income machines which will allow you to live in time, money and geographical freedom. I created an amazing training with the name Secret Formulas. The secret formulas because I will tell you the important secrets about making money online many people try to hide from you. The training will show you the secret formulas about building a highly profitable system which runs on autopilot. This system will allow you to stop trading valuable time for dollars. It's a shortcut to financial freedom, and the best thing about this is that I will give it to you for free, and I'm talking about 100% free. If you have been struggling with building a profitable online business which will create your 6-figure passive income, then you need this training because it will show you the secrets the most successful online marketers hide from you. So where is the catch? There is no catch. I'm doing this because I explored that the biggest thing in life is to put a smile on other people's faces. Believe me, it's simply the best. Still, I don't know how long I can provide the secret formulas for free, so don't be left behind. Robert Kiyosaki once said, financial freedom is available to those who learn about it and work for it. So you will get a full training on how to build a highly profitable online business the right way. This business will generate massive passive income streams so that you can focus on the important things in life. Fill out the form below and let me send you the free access immediately.
Doesn't matter where we are.